Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Aishatul and I will be explaining on question 1 and 2. So let's begin with question 1 first. We have to determine the P, which is 9,325 ringgit. And then the interest rate is 12% and annually, which is equal to 1. In this question, we will use the formula of S equal to P times 1 plus K over M to the power of MT. Is S1 equal to 9,355 times 1 plus 0.12 over 1 to the power of 1 times 2. Then, so S1 is equal to 11,697 ringgit 28 cents. Next, we have to find the S2. In bracket, 11,697.28 cents plus 3,000 and then times with 1 plus 0.12 over 1 to the power 1 times 3. So the answer will be 20,648.62 cents. Okay, so let's move to the question 2. The P in this question is 20,000 and the T is 10 years and the interest rate is 6% monthly equal to 12 months for 6 years 9 months. The second rate is 8% quarterly equal to 4 months for the rest of period, which is 3 years and 3 months. So in this question, for the question A, we will use S equal to P times 1 plus K over M to the power of MT. So we have to find the S1 first, which is 20,000 ringgit times 1 plus 0.06 over 12 to the power of 12 times 6, 9 over 12. So the answer would be 29,955 ringgit and 80 cents. So for the S2, the P will be 29,955.81 cents in times 1 plus 0.08 over 4 to the power of 4 times 3, 3 over 12. So the answer is 38,751.03 cents. So for the B, to find the interest, we will use the formula of I equal to S minus P. I equal to S, whereby S is 38,751.03 and minus P, which is 20,000, and the I 18,751.03.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nufara Patricia. So now I want to answer question number 3. Okay, for question 3A, we need to find the initial amount of Mr. Atif is investment using formula S equal to P open bracket 1 plus K over M close bracket the power of M multiplied by T. The amount of S is 18,300 equal to P open bracket 1 plus K, which is 0.056 over M. The amount of M is 12 because it's stated in the equation compounded monthly, which is 12, and close bracket the power of 12 multiplied by T, which is 2. The reason why it is 2 years because we use the time for accumulated amount in the equation. So next is we move this to the left side to find the P. So when we move to the left side, we need to divide it with 18,300. Okay, so let's calculate it. So the answer is 16,365 ringgit 27 cents. The next question is we need to calculate the accumulated amount in the account at the end of the investment term. Just like question A, we use formula S equal to P in bracket 1 plus K over M to the power of M multiplied by T. Okay, so the amount of P is 16,365 ringgit 27 cents in bracket 1 plus K, which is 0.09 over M, which is 12, the power of M 12 multiplied by in bracket 7 minus 2. So we use 0.09 for K because after 2 years the interest rate increased to 9% compounded monthly. We subtract 7 with 2 because we need to count the accumulated amount for the remaining years. Let's calculate it now. The answer is 25,622 ringgit 79 cents. The last question is we need to find the total interest earned from this investment using formula I equal to S minus P. So the amount of S is 25,622 ringgit 79 cents minus by P, which is 16,365 ringgit 27 cents. So let's calculate it. The answer is 9,257 ringgit 52 cents.
Hi, my name is Rashda, and now I'm going to answer question number 4. For question number 4, we need to calculate the down payment. So, 230,000 multiply with 15 over 100. Get 34,500. For A, we subtract 230,000 with 34,500. Get 195,500. For this question, we need to use the formula A equals to R, open bracket, 1 minus, in bracket, 1 plus K over M, power of negative M times T, over K over M, close bracket. A is 195,500 equals to R, open bracket, 1 minus, in bracket, 1 plus 0.055 over 12 minus the power of negative 12 times 25 over bracket 0.055 over 12. To find R, which is the monthly payment, we need to move this to the left side. We'll put it under 195,500 to divide it. Okay, let's calculate it. We get R equals to 1,200 ringgit 54 cents. For question 4C, we need to find the outstanding amount Zara must repay after making payments for 20 years. So the T is 25 minus 20 equals to 5 years. We subtract 20 because Zara has made payments for 20 years and we only need to calculate the remaining years. Then we use the same formula as question 4B. So A equals to 1,200 ringgit 54 cents, 1 minus 1 plus 0.055 over 12, power of 12 times 5 over 0.055 over 12. Let's calculate it. A is 62,851 ringgit 67 cents.
So, hi everyone, I'm Shadapik and I will be explaining about question 5. To solve this question, we must use a formula of present value, which is A equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus K over M over K over M to the power of MT. So next, we need to substitute the amount stated in the question in the formula. So A is 100,000 equals to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus K is equals to 0.0375, M is 12, so over 12, close the bracket, to the power of negative MT, negative 12 times 10. So over 0.0375 over 12, and we close the bracket. Next, we need to move the equation beside the letter R to the left, which is it will be over the 1000. So we just use the calculator to solve this question. So here is the answer, 1061 ringgit. So that's it for question A. We move to question B. So for question B, we need to find the value of the future value, which is we are going to use the formula of S equals to R in bracket 1 plus K over M to the power of MT minus 1 over K over M. So we just substitute all the amount inside the formula. We use R that we just found just now, which is 1000.61 in the formula, and we just substitute it 1 plus 0.0375 over 12 to the power of 12, and time we use 9 over 12 and minus 1 over 0.0375. So we just use our calculator to solve this question. Here is the answer, 9,118 ATFC. So for question B2, we need to find the interest. To find the interest, we just use the formula I equals to S minus RTM. So just substitute everything into the formula, which is 9118.88 minus 1000.61 times 9/12 and times 2. And we press our calculator. So here's the answer, 113.39. So that's it.